Hello, how's everybody? This is again Lady Enchantress, and today you are looking at my beautiful mulberries. As you can see, dark green leaves, lots of fruits also on the side, and oh, what's this? Like the birds took a bite on some of the leaves. Let's take a focus. Well, it's not working, but yeah, the birds. I'm pretty sure it's the birds that took some leaves here. That's also what they did with my pepper. And here on this side, we have also some fruits with different size. One small one a little bit big one. However, they would still be bigger once they are really ripe. Right now it's red, so well, you can eat it and it's not that sweet at this point. Let's take a look at this. Maybe they can taste this. Oh, maybe this one. This looks a little bit darker, so maybe take a taste. All right. Yeah, it is sour, as I expected to be. So almost all the tips and all the stem has fruits, even if I'm not in here most of the days. 2 to 3 weeks I am out, only depending on the rain. But right now it is dry season, and they are just here in the spot of about 7-inch container pot, and they've been here for like 2 years. So some of the stems that I got together with this batch I've planted in different pots, but this is what I can show you. And maybe if I can pull out one of the picture of my other mulberry that I planted from the ground, I'm gonna put it here. It's really big, and take a look at it. It's so pretty even if it's just in the pot. The contrasting colors of dark green glossy leaves with its red fruits that will eventually turn black. It's just so beautiful next to these orchids right here, which is also blooming in 2 sets. Here, this one, it's exemplary. Like, you know, usually you only get like 10-12 flowers at max in one stem, but here it's like almost endless. Like it's almost 20. So extraordinary even if there's no fertilizer, and it looks so good together with these green and healthy mulberries. I mean, yeah, some of the leaves were gone, but I use it as a mulch in my pepper plant, if you noticed that in some other videos. But look at these fruits, they are almost ready. I hope I can still get them once I am back here in Cebu and all the birds did not consume it yet. So I wouldn't mind if they eat like 50%. So sharing is loving. So thank you so much. Please subscribe to my channel. Let me know if you wanted to get some propagation video. Thanks.